Hold on. Did a fast food chain just take a big step toward real health? A bigger step than our FDA? Yeah, you heard that right. Steak and Shake just RFK'd their fries, ditching seed oils and switching to beef tallow. And Robert F. Kennedy Jr. himself is cheering them on. Why does this matter? Because seed oils, those so-called those so-called heart-healthy oils, are not healthy for the heart or any other body part. And now, this major fast food chain is actually making a change. Now, before you get too excited, there is one little problem. There are, at least for me, there are 0 Steak and Shake locations in my part of the country. Oh, and if you wish there were an easy way to find seed oil-free restaurants near you, there's an app for that. Yay! But first, let me share this article from Politico last week. Kennedy praises fast food chain's effort to, quote, make America healthy again, end quote, after it RFK'd its fries. Steak and Shake said that locations across several states transitioned away from using seed oils in their fries. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. praised fast food chain Steak and Shake on Thursday, highlighting the restaurant's French fries as part of his Make America Healthy Again agenda. Congratulations, Steak and Shake, for being the first national food chain to begin the transition away from seed oils, Kennedy, who was recently sworn in to lead the Department of Health and Human Services, wrote in a Thursday post to X. Thanks for leadership in the crusade to make America healthy again. Steak and Shake announced Monday in an X post that the chain's Ohio, Colorado, Florida, Texas, and Oklahoma locations started making fries with 100% beef tallow, and the change will be implemented at all locations by March 1. I am taping this on March 5, so it's done. Steak and Shake initially announced plans for the transition in January. Kennedy has long crusaded for remaking the American food system, embracing scientifically dubious theories about seed oils, which are often used in cooking and frying foods. Aside, scientifically dubious theories? Seriously? Pardon me, Politico, your bias is showing. I've made a video about this, by the way. I'll leave a link for you somewhere here. But back to the article. Fries will be RFK, the fast food chain wrote, referring to the Kennedy-backed Make America Healthy Again movement. Now, as I said earlier, sadly, there are no Steak and Shakes near me. However, we do have a Buffalo Wild Wings, and they too use beef shortening, or tallow, to fry their food. Now, mind you, I'm not endorsing the full menu for clean low carb, but how great that they've chosen real food, tallow, over fake, man-made, dangerous seed oils. Don't get me started. Most of their fans probably have no idea why their food now tastes so good or appreciate that it is not made with dangerous man-made oils. Now, I don't know whether you have Steak and Shake or whether you have Buffalo Wild Wings, but if you're looking for a seed oil-free restaurant, there's an app for that, Seed Oil Scout. It helps you find seed oil-free restaurants in your area. What a great idea, right? Now, it is not free, and I confess I haven't signed up for it. Hey, I don't eat out that much. Have I mentioned I'm retired? Yeah. I'm Eileen, and I reversed the worst of my Alzheimer's symptoms through a clean, low-carb diet. Clean means, in part, no seed oils. Thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for commenting on this video. Thank you for sharing this video with someone who might want to grab a burger and fries. If you want help getting started on clean low carb, check the links in the description. Until next time, let's stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Next.